Alright, so we've got a very eventful day to end the week. So it's currently Thursday, the 8th of January 2026. And if you don't know already, now you do. There is a storm currently hitting overnight tonight on Thursday into the morning and throughout the day of Friday, the 9th of January. The storm name is Storm Goretti, and it's a mixture between wind, rain, and snow. So it's kind of like a funny storm here. So we're gonna go through it. There is a couple warnings, including a red warning for wind, which we'll cover in this video. I'll leave timestamps so you can go to the wind and different sections of this video to break it down for you if you do not want to watch till the end. But I really do appreciate if you do. So first, like this video, share it. I want to get more views. And so the storm, so the wind here, we're going to talk about the wind. As we can see, here's Thursday, this is around 6 PM. We've got this low pressure here, 984, swoops just beneath through the channel, but also the backlash of the storm here. Well, not even the backlash, pretty much the storm here, as you can see, hits Cornwall, which is like 90 to even 100 possible miles per hour of wind. Luckily, this part here just skimmed the country, basically swooping just between France and England. This is like 100 or even more miles per hour wind. That's like 110 miles per hour possibly, which just missed the coast of Cornwall. But like I was saying, like 90 plus miles per hour winds for this dark area. Going a little bit above this dark area into the greyish white, that's like 80 to 85 miles per hour winds. Then around to Plymouth here we've got like 60 plus miles per hour winds, covering all of going up towards Devon. Actually, I mean, Devon is a mixture between like 70 to 60 miles per hour winds, and basically it's only this small section where the purple covers the country here is where the a warning for the red warning will be, and the most affected area with wind. Like, as the storm moves, it then brings unsettled winds to the early hours of Saturday for London. Well, even on the Friday, tomorrow, it'll be fairly windy as the storm moves up, bringing possible like 50 miles per hour winds, widespread down south all the way to Birmingham, Swansea, Southampton, Stoke-on-Trent as well. We'll get a bit of a breeze, but nothing crazy. And then further up north, from the Green to all of Scotland and all of Dublin and Ireland, everything should be sweet and normal. Nothing crazy, no crazy wind or anything. We're going to cover 10 pictures. So this storm actually brings some warmer air. So let's have a look. The storm, here it is. Look at the numbers. So we've got like 10 degrees, which might not seem crazy, but it's just warmer than what we've had recently. Like, as you see, -1, -5. But this small section, exactly where we just covered, where the strongest winds were, like Cornwall, might get a little warmer temperatures. I'm talking from like 10 to 13 degrees at the max, and then that storm system moves away towards Amsterdam, Brussels, and so on to the Netherlands as well. For snow, because there is an amber snow warning, if I'm right. The snow, let's have a look. As you can see, we've got almost as much as 40 centimeters in this purple area here, and then outside this purple area will be a widespread of 20 to 25 centimeters. Then moving into the lighter blue, That's like 10 to 15 centimeters. Then the even lighter blue would be like 5 to 10 centimeters. And then all the white that you can see here is only like from 1 to 5 centimeters, maybe 1 to 2 centimeters, or not even that. So very light snow. But you can expect a wintry mix overnight on Friday up north, such as Cumbria. Some of the Pennines here, Yorkshire might get some slight winter mix kind of weather. If not, just really cold rain. Up north as well, talking Scotland, you might get a few wintry showers there and then throughout the weekend, but you might not expect much difference up Scotland, as they've already got like 60 centimeters of snow in some areas, which is pretty mad, and that snow's not going to melt for quite some time due to it's still extremely cold up there. Let's look at the warnings. So the warnings here, we've got snow warning for the Shetlands, snow and ice warning covering all down the northeast coast, literally northeast coast of Scotland, and then little part of Newcastle and a small part of the northeast coast of England. Then this exact snow warning here covers around Greater Manchester, Stoke-on-Trent, Nottingham, Peterborough, Oxford, Bath, most of Wales, pretty much all of Wales. Then the amber snow warning, like I said, right in this bit here. That's all this amber warning, that's what that's for. Then we've got a rain warning for this little bit here, St David, which is in Wales as well. Then we've got the red wind warning, which is what I covered, which is due to this here, which is like 90 to 95, maybe 100 miles per hour winds just off the coast, which is here. Then we've got a wind warning yellow for around Plymouth to all the way past Portsmouth and Brighton, all the way to like Canterbury. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy. I can't wait to see some videos of it as well. If you are in the red or amber warning, recommend staying indoors if you're in the snow warning for the amber, and if you're in the red wind warning, probably best, well, it might be too late now because I'm recording this video at literally 5 o'clock and the storm probably going to hit in the next hour or two. But I recommend just staying indoors. Pick wisely if you want to travel as well, and be safe when you're driving and travelling. But it's going to be something crazy. And I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to check out my TikTok where I post weather videos as well. Basically the same as what I post on this channel, but in a shorter video. But I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.